Hello my lovely people, how una dey? I hope una dey fine. In today's video I will show now how to make box braid. I use color 1 and this hair now I use. I cut the hair into 3, so I want to start the hair now. I'll section the hair into 3, the natural hair. I'll share it into 3. I'll start to the braider. I hear the braid the hair they go like that. Once I start now, so I'll take braid and reach the end there. You so for you pull the hair down because now natural hair. Now see as I take the braid the hair so. The hair are not too fast. May I for fit teach you now how to do in case if you not sabi do box braid, you'll feel learner. So for the braid down like that, they go. I appreciate all of now they subscribe, they take on time till they watch my video. I appreciate all of you now. So as I braid the hair reach down, I twist the ending of the hair. I go start another one now. Now the same thing now I'll take do all the hair. So if we put the hair down, so if we, because of natural hair like that, you do the one way work for you. If not once, if not twice, you do the one way work for you. My lovely people, how to find customer if you not sabi do hair? Maybe your hair not dey neat, not dey fine. How to find customer? You fit get customer for anywhere. As I first told now for my last video, you fit get customer anywhere, church, anywhere you go, you fit get customer. Now just to tell people, say, they make hair. If you tell 10 people at least, you'll see some when go see, come see, maybe they give you a try, maybe you take me their hair. If you go supermarket, before you come on for house, if you don't get card where you want give them, no be say you use mouth to tell them. Carry paper and biro, write your phone number, write am down. No be say you want tell person, the person you want tell, I don't know whether you get biro or you get paper. You write am, use scissors, take out the paper small, write about 10 or 5. So if you tell them, you say, I'll give you my phone number. You just give them one of the paper. Even if you not get card, give them. They go call. If people wey sabi make hair, if they charge customers 80 euros, 70 euros, then you go to charge 40 euros. You say sometimes not be everybody will get that 80 euro or 70 euros. They'll say, may I still go make them for you the cheap. That's so they tell they find customer. If you not sabi do hair, so that still they do. Before you know, people don't they come. If you tell one person, give one person your number, you make one hair this week. Then you know, say that one will still tell another person. Next week, you'll get 2 or 3 customers. You're so free to gather around like that. So, because this place like this, so I'm not able to say I would make hair. I see my first customer for his side boss. He asked me, you know how to make Africa hairstyle? I say, yes, so. I said, I take give the woman my number that day. Well, you know, she tell another person. That one still tell another friend. Now until they do hair for this place when I did today. May you still take calm and reason now. Start something. Thank you, my lovely people. So the braid now, not the braid now, they go. This boss braid, you feed one because it's not hard. Because YouTube now they help well. Before, if you don't understand my own, you watch another person own. Before you watch 2 to 3 videos, you will learn different things. Start your business soon. Thank you. So I don't braid that one now, finish. Now the front side, now they do so. So I go section the hair now. I'll section the hair like that. I go braid down. Now see how. In case if you still need my help, let me know the kind of video when I will do. If you don't understand this one, anything you need, just let me know. I will try do the video, I'll come show you. So I just braid the hair like that. As I first do the back, now the same thing. Just braid the hair. So I go twist the end of the braid. I will section another one. So I go start on now. You see, braid the hair the same way when I start the other one. All my customers, most of them are so natural hair. And then they carry because of this place, the weather too cold. So cold weather, they break relaxer hair. And see how they do so. I still braid down like that. I'll just twist the end, the ending of the braid. So now the last one now I want to do. I bet if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel. This channel I'm going to bring all the style when I do for my customers. So I don't braid and finish now, just to put the hair for the tip for water, and the final look be this. Bye.